The way our system works is when you bring grid power or power from the main distribution panel comes into the top of the product, all of the power that's coming into the system at that point in time, we use our rectifiers to convert that into DC power. All of that power at that point in time is cleaned through the large-scale battery storage that we have inside the system, and then we output through multiple inverters to ensure that we are able to provide complete 100 amp or 200 amp output to our homes. So we are able to include much more than just the control systems, but also all of the technology packages within inside the home. Our systems like dynamic loads, where a lot of our competitors do not like dynamic loads on their systems. For more information on the RoseWater products, please go to rosewaterinnergy.com. We have a lot of information on there and all of our contact information. We'd love to work with you on your next project and help get RoseWater in to protect your clients' homes.